My dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 12.3 question number 15. So what is given in the question? In figure 12.33, this is the figure. ABC is the quadrant of the circle. That is the quadrant of the circle. The inner arc with AB with BAC. BAC and the inner arc is the quadrant of the circle and the semicircle. Now you can check here when I join this BC. From this BC I will take the middle point of BC and as the center, and I have drawn a semicircle on the diameter BC. I have to calculate the area of the shaded region. So firstly, what is given in this part? The radius is given as 14. You can check here. Radius of the quadrant. ABC is the quadrant of circle. Now there are two type of circles. Now you can check here. One is the bigger, that in which BC is the diameter. I'm going to put it C here, B here and A here. This is 14. Means the quadrant is having the radius 14 and the semicircle is having the radius BC diameter, sorry. So and now you can check here, this is 14 centimeter, and as this is a quadrant, it means this is the radius, AB is also the radius. So we can find the diameter BC. How will I calculate that? By applying the Pythagoras theorem. What will be that? BC square equals to 14 square plus 14 square. It will be BC square equals to 2 under root 14 under root 2, sorry, 14 come outside. How will it come? You can check here. 2 times 14 square, it is equals to BC square. And what will be BC? BC is equals to under root of 2 times 14 square. 14 will come outside and you will get 14 under root 2 is equals to BC. Now I want to calculate, this is the diameter, BC is the diameter. So for finding the area of the semicircle, I need the radius. So radius will be, radius of the semicircle, radius of semicircle with AC as diameter, with BC as diameter, sorry. It will be 7 under root 2. This divided by 2. So now I can find the area of the semicircle. Area of semicircle with AC as diameter, with BC as diameter. It will be pi r square by 2. Pi, I am going to take it as capital R square by 2. It will be 1 by 2, 22 by 7. And what will be the R square? 7 under root 2 multiplied by 7 under root 2. Now you can check 7 and 7 will be cancelled out. 2, both under root 2 will be cancelled out. And I am left with 154 centimeter square. Now I want to calculate the area of this quadrant. So, or you can find the area of the segment also. So this segment, area of segment. For finding the area of segment, take here as O, here as Q and here as P. Now the area of segment B, Q, COB with R equals to 14 centimeter, and what is the theta here? Theta equals to 90 degree. It will be, you can take it as area 2. It will be pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 into AB into BC. It will be pi is 22 by 7. What is R here? R I have taken as 14. 90 by 360 minus 1 by 2. What is AB? AB is 14 and the other AB is also 14. This will goes on 7, 4, 2, 2, 2 sevens. The 7 9 the it will goes on 4. It cut out. It will I'm left with 154 and here I am left with 98. And what will be the answer here? The answer will be 56 centimeter square. So this is the area of the segment, this segment. So if I subtract this segment from the semicircle, I will get the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region, it will be take this as A1 and this as A2. Subtract A2 from A1 because A2 is the segment smaller one and A1 is the semicircle. So it will be A1 minus A2. Subtract A2 from A1. It is 154 minus 56. I'm left with 98 centimeter square. This is the required area of this shaded region. This is an important question. This is the question number 15 of exercise 12.3. So thank you very much for watching my video.